I recreated this entire $25 app in under 30 minutes with 2 free AI tools. I did it twice. So I'm gonna show you how I did it, what I've done, and what does this mean for the future of software, AI, our jobs, and everything else. So quick story, this is the app, testimonial.to. By the way, huge shout out to them, nothing against them. I actually really like the app, hence why I even wanted to do this in the first place. Basically, I bought this program and the founder asked me to leave him a testimonial, and he was using this app. He sent me this page and I honestly really liked it. So one of the things, it was pretty intuitive to use. You can leave like obviously your name, last name, upload your picture, leave 5-star reviews. That was pretty cool. And another thing that I really loved is their wall of love, right? So yeah, this is it. Like people leave you testimonials and you have this wall of love, and it's a lot of social proof. It helps with sales. They can leave these stars, pictures, videos. And I was like, I really love it. Like I want to use this app. And I went to it, but there's something I didn't like. And that is, number one, on the free plan, you just have 2 video testimonials in total, 10 text testimonials, and they don't have a really low $5, $10 a month plan. They start at $25, right? And even there, I just saw this now, you still only have 2 video testimonials in total. Yeah, so I was like, I don't really like that. Like I can't justify paying $25 for a month for something I don't know how much I'm gonna use. I mean, I pay less for ChatGPT or Gemini, and then I thought to myself, why not recreate this, right? So I went to ChatGPT for some prompting, and I even tested 2 tools that I didn't previously used for vibe coding. I use Lovable. This is probably my favorite, my go-to. But for this, I actually used Uware, that you can see here, and I use Replit. And I built this. Similarly to the testimonial app, you have this page that again I built in under 30 minutes with a couple of prompts, where people can leave their name, role, company. They can even upload their pictures, right? Like I can upload my picture. They can pick like what they purchased. They can leave you star reviews and testimonial, which is not gonna be limited to like 10 or 2. Even video testimonial like YouTube. I think on another one I allow them to upload the file as well. Let me see. Yeah, so on this one they can leave like a Loom or Komodo or YouTube link, or they can even upload a video file, right? Now I can understand this can add some complexity in the backend, but that's fine. So anyways, I rebuilt this and I even have the wall of love, right? So this was made, as you can tell here, with actually maybe you can't tell because, okay, yeah. This was made with Emergent, which is free. By the way, this video is not sponsored or affiliated or anything. This is just me sharing some cool free tools. I'll link them below. You can use them. They are limited, maybe more than some other apps that I've used. I'm thinking Lovable, I think, gives you a bit more free credits, but they've got the job done, right? Like I built, this was in 30 minutes. Obviously, I can still improve it, make it better, etc., to make it like more like this. But this is crazy. By the way, if you want to learn how to use AI to get more clients, make more money, and save more time, I'm releasing 1 to 3 new videos every single week, something like this. So if you're interested, consider subscribing to the channel. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like it. And the point of this video are a couple of things. Number one, to show you this is pretty cool and share the apps with you and what I've done. But there is a bigger point behind it that I also want to convey, and I wanted to make you think about some things. And that is, if your product or service can be substituted with a single prompt or with vibe-coded app in 30 minutes, I think your business and or your job are going to be in danger. I think we have obligation to evolve if we want to thrive in this world, especially world that changes so fast. And I think if what you're doing is like a single solution that can easily be done now with AI, you're going to be out of job or out of business. So again, I think it's our responsibility to adapt, evolve, integrate AI, and become what I like to call AI proof in the future, so this doesn't happen to us, right? Take a look at this app. I don't know how many users, they're probably making a lot of money, but I created I'm not gonna say I replicated the entire app. There is obviously much more logistic and everything, but I can use it for myself. And probably other people can too. And it's just gonna get easier and easier to recreate these things. So again, if your entire business or your entire job relies on like solving one problem that can easily be done with prompting or with whatever AI agents or vibe coding apps, you're gonna be in big danger. I've seen coaches that are getting replaced by simple free subscription of ChatGPT, right? So it really makes you wonder, right? Really big takeaway, other than you can do cool shit like this, is make your business AI proof if you wanna thrive. Not only AI proof as in enough to survive, but I think now is this unique opportunity in time where you can also thrive using AI, right? So just something to think about. By the way, I also created other apps that substituted other things that I was paying for and using for. Really makes you wonder. And I did it for free and I did it as non-developer. So the world is changing and I think we need to adapt, and we need to adapt fast. So anyways, and I'll leave you with this. I use totally free AI tool from Google to help me assist in building the entire low ticket funnel, everything from like copy, design, upsells, mockups, email follow-up, like literally everything. So if you want, you can check that video over here.